Imagine yourself in this 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, brake assist, aluminum wheels, tow hooks, privacy glass, power door locks, automatic headlights and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.